This is a winter storm that just is here in Newport, Rhode Island, and you can see the wind blowing the snow around. And we are right on Broadway next to the Cafe 200, and look at that wind. This is a winter storm, and it is looking like it's probably going to continue all night long, and there's going to be at least 6 inches accumulation possibly. But right now we have winds and really blizzard-like conditions for visibility out there. Look at that. Look at that snow and wind blowing around. Okay. This is Michael Hughes in Newport, Rhode Island. And look at those blizzard conditions out there.